In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset Shopify store to default. To get started, open your Shopify admin dashboard. If you are already on the main admin screen, that is perfect. The goal of this process is to move your storefront back toward a clean default style setup by choosing a popular free theme and applying it to your online store. This can be helpful if you have changed the look and want to return to something basic and familiar. First, click Online Store in your left sidebar. This is usually located under the main sales channel or store settings area, depending on your Shopify layout. When you click it, you should see options related to what shoppers see, like themes and pages. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct section. You are looking for controls that directly affect your storefront design, not settings for back-end operations. Next, after you have entered the online store area, click Themes. This step matters because themes control the overall appearance of your storefront, including layout, styling, and many design elements. Once you click Themes, you should be taken to a screen where you can view your current theme and other available theme options. Look for a section that shows your currently published theme, along with additional themes you may have installed. Now you will scroll down to the Popular Free Themes section. This section is important because it contains default-friendly, ready-to-use free themes that Shopify highlights for users who want a quick reset. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the heading labeled Popular Free Themes. You may also notice small preview tiles or theme cards, along with the name of each theme and an action button. Once you find the Popular Free Themes section, locate the Atelier theme. You should see it listed among the available popular free themes. The next part of the process is to add it so that it becomes available as a theme option you can use. Make sure you are selecting Atelier specifically, not another theme with a similar name or design. This helps ensure the reset you are performing matches the instructions exactly. After you locate Atelier, click Add next to the Atelier theme. This action installs the theme into your Shopify account so you can apply it. There is usually a brief moment as Shopify downloads or prepares the theme. During this time, stay on the screen and do not refresh, because you want to make sure the installation completes successfully. When the theme finishes adding, you should be able to see it appear in your theme list. At this stage, you have completed the main action described in the instructions. You have accessed the theme area, scrolled to popular free themes, and added Atelier to your store. From here, your Shopify account will have that theme available for use, which is the foundation of resetting toward a default style. If you want to continue the reset beyond what is listed here, you would typically apply or publish the added theme. However, the steps provided focus on adding the Atelier theme. So for now, make sure Atelier shows as added or available in your themes list, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.